Right now, sitting in your driveway, your BMW has features built into it that could be saving you thousands of dollars. Features you've already paid for. Features that require no modifications, no coding, no extra tools. And the odds are, you're not using a single one of them. That's not an accident. BMW doesn't walk you through these at the dealership. The owner's manual buries them in jargon. And every month that goes by without knowing them is another month your engine, your battery, your brakes, and your wallet are paying the price. This video ends that today. Welcome back. If you're new here, this channel exists for one reason: to make sure BMW owners never get blindsided by a repair bill they could have prevented. Today we're covering 5 features already built into your BMW that most owners never find, never use, and never benefit from. Each one has a real dollar figure attached to it. Each one is available to you right now, and by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why not knowing them has been costing you money every single day. Let's get into it. Feature 1. Condition-based service. The first feature, and the one that could save you the most money over the life of your car, is taking real control of your condition-based service system. BMW calls it CBS, and it is quietly misleading nearly every BMW owner on the road. Here's the pitch. Your car monitors your driving patterns, oil quality, brake wear, and fluid levels, and tells you exactly when to come in for service. It sounds intelligent. It sounds like BMW has your back. It doesn't. The CBS system is calibrated to meet BMW's warranty and emissions targets, not to maximize long-term engine life. BMW engineers designed for the average owner, not the long-term owner. And what it wasn't calibrated for is your specific driving habits, your climate, or the real demands of a turbocharged engine. And virtually every current BMW, every 3 Series, 5 Series, X3, X5, and M car on the market is turbocharged. On a turbocharged engine, CBS will routinely recommend oil changes at 12,000 to 15,000 miles. Here's what's happening inside your engine during those extra miles. Heat from the turbocharger is breaking down your oil faster than the system accounts for. As that oil degrades, it stops protecting your bearing surfaces. Carbon begins accumulating on your intake valves. Sludge starts forming inside the passages that feed your Vanos system. And by the time that service light comes on, the damage is already building. A turbo replacement on a BMW runs $2,000 to $4,500. Vanos repairs start at $500 and climb fast. Carbon cleaning, walnut blasting, runs $400 to $700. It needs to be repeated if the root cause isn't addressed. Here's what you do instead. Go into your iDrive, select Vehicle Information, then Service Requirements. This menu shows you individual countdowns for oil, brake fluid, and vehicle check. Look at it every month, and ignore the oil interval it gives you. On any turbocharged BMW, change your oil at 7,500 miles. If you do just short city trips or cold weather driving, bring it to every 5,000. The CBS light is a reminder, not a recommendation you're obligated to follow. Taking control of this one setting is worth thousands over the life of your engine. Feature 2. DTC versus full DSC off. Feature 2 is one that confuses BMW owners constantly, and the confusion itself is dangerous. Most drivers know DSC, Dynamic Stability Control. It's your safety net. It monitors wheel speed, steering angle, and throttle. And if the car starts sliding, it cuts power and applies brakes to keep you on the road. What most owners don't know is that there's a middle setting called DTC, Dynamic Traction Control. You access it by briefly pressing the DSC button rather than holding it down. In DTC mode, the car allows significantly more wheel slip before intervening. This is the setting you want in 2 very specific real-world situations. First, pulling out of a snowy or icy driveway where DSC keeps killing your momentum before you can find grip. DTC gives the wheels just enough freedom to dig in without leaving you completely unassisted. Second, merging onto a wet highway where you need immediate, confident throttle response and the full DSC system keeps second-guessing you. Here's why this matters financially. When drivers don't know DTC exists, they do one of two things. They either leave full DSC on and get frustrated when it cuts power at the wrong moment, sometimes causing accidents through overcorrection, or they hold the button and go full DSC off, removing almost all safety intervention in conditions where they still need it. Even a low-speed slide into a curb can bend a control arm or wheel. That's $800 to $1,500 instantly. And that's before you factor in alignment, tires, or any body work. A 2-second button press eliminates that risk entirely. Know the difference. Use DTC in low traction conditions. Save full DSC off for the track. Feature 3. Battery registration. This one could save you $1,500. And it's the feature that independent garages get wrong most often. When your BMW battery dies and you replace it, the new battery must be registered to your car's engine management system. This is not a dealership upsell. This is not optional. It is a genuine technical requirement that is unique to BMW, and skipping it triggers a chain of damage that most owners never connect back to the battery. Here's the mechanism. BMW uses intelligent battery sensor technology. Your ECU, the car's main computer, learns the profile of your battery over time. It uses that data to control charging rates, manage electrical loads, and operate the start-stop system. When you install a new battery without registering it, the ECU doesn't know the old one is gone. It keeps managing the new battery as if it's the old degraded one, which means it overcharges it consistently, every single drive. That chronic overcharging damages the new battery and puts serious stress on your alternator. A BMW alternator replacement runs $800 to over $1,500 fitted. The battery registration that prevents it takes 2 minutes with a compatible diagnostic tool. Before any independent garage touches your battery, ask them one direct question. Do you have BMW-compatible software to register the new battery? If they hesitate, if they say it's not necessary, if they've never heard of it, walk out. Find a specialist. This is important. And here's the uncomfortable truth. If your battery has already been replaced and was never registered, the damage may already be happening, even if the car seems perfectly fine today. Feature 4. The hidden service menu and brake pad monitoring. Inside your iDrive right now is a menu that most BMW owners have never opened, and it contains information that can save you from being hit with an unexpected repair bill on the side of the road. Think of it this way. Feature 1 was about CBS telling you when BMW wants you back in the dealership. This menu tells you what your car is actually experiencing. Those are two very different things. Access it by going to the main menu, selecting Vehicle Information, then Service Requirements, and scrolling through the individual line items. This is your real-time health dashboard. Oil life, brake fluid status, vehicle inspection due date, all visible, all specific, all updated continuously. But here's the feature most owners miss entirely. On BMW models from 2010 onwards, equipped with electronic brake wear sensors, which covers most current models, this menu shows you the exact percentage of brake pad life remaining on each axle. Why does that matter? Brake jobs on BMWs are not cheap. Front pads and rotors on a 5 Series run $600 to $900, fitted at an independent shop. At a dealership, often more. If that wear sensor warning light catches you off guard, if you're 200 miles from home when it triggers, you are now negotiating a repair from a position of zero leverage. Checking this menu quarterly puts you in control. You know months in advance when brakes are due. You can shop around, schedule on your terms, and avoid the emergency markup entirely. This menu also lets you manually reset service indicators after a completed service, which matters if your independent garage doesn't have a BMW reset software. That orange spanner light staying on after a service isn't a warning, but it will mask a genuine warning if one appears later. Retest it yourself. It takes 30 seconds. Feature 5. The battery drain features running in the background. The final feature is one that is actively costing BMW owners money right now, and most have no idea it's happening. Modern BMWs run a significant number of systems in the background even when the car is parked and locked. Telematics, remote services, alarm sensors, connected drive functions. These systems draw a small but continuous current from your battery 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Under normal circumstances, your battery handles this without issue. But here's where it starts costing you money. If you park your BMW for more than 2 weeks without driving it, a vacation, a second car that sits seasonally, a stretch of working from home, that continuous background drain pulls your battery below its optimal voltage threshold. BMW batteries that repeatedly cycle below that threshold suffer accelerated degradation. A battery that should last 5 to 6 years starts failing at 3. A BMW OEM battery runs $200 to $350. Factor in registration and fitting at a specialist, and you're at $400 to $500. Multiplied over a lifetime of ownership, premature battery failures add up fast. Here's what you do. Go into your iDrive, navigate to Settings, then Connected Drive, then Remote Services. You can see which background services are active and adjust their behavior. For extended periods of non-use, a quality trickle charger, a CTEK or battery tender, connected to your battery will hold it at optimal voltage and eliminate the drain problem entirely. They cost $50 to $80. They pay for themselves the first time they prevent a battery replacement. Knowing this feature exists and managing it actively is the difference between a battery that lasts 6 years and one that's failing at 3. 5 features, all of them already in your car, all of them ignored by the majority of BMW owners, and every single one of them with a direct cost attached to not knowing. The CBS system pushing you to 15,000-mile oil changes. The battery registration step most garages skip. The brake-wear menu sitting unused in your iDrive. The background drain quietly killing your battery. These aren't small oversights. Over the life of a BMW, they represent thousands of dollars in repairs that disciplined owners simply don't pay. The dealership didn't tell you about these when you picked up the keys. The owner's manual buried them. But now you know. And knowing is what separates the owners who keep their BMWs running past 200,000 miles from the ones who don't. If this video saved you money, or is about to, hit subscribe. We cover exactly this kind of content every single week. And drop a comment right now with your BMW, your engine, your mileage, and whether you've been following the 15,000-mile oil interval. No judgment, just be honest. You might be surprised how many people in the comments are in the exact same position you are. Protect the machine, and it will protect your wallet.